बजट पे ही बात हो रही है, आ रहा हूं। तो
अरे राष्ट्रपति के भाषण पे नहीं बोले थे, वो बात भी बोल ले रहे हैं, कोई दिक्कत
नहीं, थैंक यू। तो पूरा फोकस ग्रिप पे होता है, ग्रिप से लड़ाई शुरू होती है और ग्रिप से हम चौक में जाते हैं। सर, करते हुए जब आदमी के हाथ में चौक आ जाता है, ग्रैपलिंग में जो ओपोनेंट होता है उसकी आंख में दिख जाता है कि बात समझ आ जाती है कि अब मैंने इसको पकड़ लिया है। और होता क्या है सर, वो रेजिस्ट करता है, पहले 2-3 बार ऐसे रेजिस्ट करता है और फिर उसको भी पता लग जाता है कि मैं गया, और फिर वो वहां पे बात खत्म हो जाती है और फिर वो सरेंडर करके ऐसे टैप कर देता है। सर ये सेंटर पीस है सर मार्शल आर्ट्स का, ग्रिप से चोक और चोक से टैप। और ये आप किसी भी एमएमए वाले से पूछ लो, किसी भी जूडो वाले से पूछ लो, काम ग्रिप से शुरू होता है सर। ग्रिप राजनीति में होती है सर, ग्रिप बिजनेस में होती है, पॉलिटिक्स में होती है सर। जुजित्सु में ग्रिप दिखता है हाथ कहां है, चोक कैसे लग रहा है सर, राजनीति में नहीं दिखती। कहां किसने ग्रिप ले रखी है, चोक कहां लग रहा है, वो दिखता नहीं है सर, छुपा रहता है। तो दैट इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट सर। I was looking at the economic survey and 2 points I found there, solid points, profound points that I liked. First point, that we are living in a world of intensifying geopolitical conflict. मतलब जो पुराना सिस्टम था, यूएस बेस्ड सिस्टम था, डॉलर बेस्ड सिस्टम था, यूनिपोलर जो सुपर पावर था, उस सिस्टम को चैलेंज किया जा रहा है। द डोमिनेंस ऑफ द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स is being challenged by the Chinese, by the Russians, by other forces. And the second thing, also profound thing, that we are living in a world of energy and finance weaponization. मतलब एनर्जी को और फाइनेंस को हथियार बना दिया गया है. Main thing they are saying here is that we are moving from a world of stability to a world of instability. Prime Minister stated and NSA stated, shockingly, some time back, that the era of war is over. In fact, we are moving into the era of war. And you can see, war is there in Ukraine, war was there in Gaza, war is there in the Middle East, threat of war is there in Iran, we had Operation Sindoor. So we are moving into a world of instability. The dollar is being challenged. The central game, as my friends on the other side understand, is the dollar is being challenged. US supremacy is being challenged. We are moving from a world of one superpower to some new world that really we can't predict. Maybe two superpowers, maybe multiple powers. And it's an unstable world. And that is what you have said in your economic survey, and I agree with it, 100%. At the center of this fight is the concept of AI. Everybody says that we are moving into the era of AI. And I'd like to warn the government that AI is going to have many, many consequences. One consequence of AI is going to be that something that we relied on, the Congress Party and the UPA built, the entire Indian IT industry, companies like Infosys, companies that are at the forefront of information technology are going to struggle. They're going to be challenged. The idea of becoming a software engineer, which is a very popular idea in India, going to be challenged. Lots of our software engineers are going to be replaced by AI. So why I'm saying this is we're moving into a turbulent world, dangerous world. Now, when you move into a dangerous world, what is the first thing that you have to understand? The first thing you have to understand is what are your strengths as a person and as a nation. So I'd like to say to the House here what I think are the strengths of our great country. And I would say that the central strength is our people. 1.4 billion people, brilliant, energetic, dynamic, who can challenge anybody in the world. Biggest strength. But it's not only the people. Because in the 21st century, a very interesting thing has happened. People create data. So we have the biggest data pool on the planet. 1.4 billion people means massive amount of data is being generated in India, and data is wealth. Everybody talks about AI. But talking about AI is like talking about the internal combustion engine without talking about petrol. The petrol for AI is data. So let me repeat that. The petrol for AI is data.
बिजली के लगातार बढ़ते रेट्स, फिर भी आप बिजली